purposes, your call may be monitored and/or recorded. Tower 6, is this your first time calling?
I beg your pardon?
Hello, Tower 6, is this your first time calling?
Yes.
So you're calling about...
I want to be a movie star.
Okay, so you're calling about projects for movie extras, actors, models, and reality TV performers.
Yes, sir.
Are you at least 18 years of age?
Yes, sir.
So casting directors are always looking for people to appear on TV and in motion pictures. Acting, dancing, modeling, and reality TV projects may also be available.
I want to be famous.
I'm sorry?
I want to be famous.
We have available acting, dancing, and modeling and reality TV projects, okay? So, have you ever been an extra before?
Yes.
Okay, so that's good. You have experience, yes?
Yes.
So, you might know that movie extras are the actors in the background and they are there to make scenes look more natural and realistic, okay?
Oh. I see.
Normally, they don't have any lines of dialogue, so the work is very simple, okay?
But I want to have lines.
I'm sorry?
I want to have lines in the movie.
Okay, we have acting projects also available. I explained to you the work of movie extra. But we have acting available too. Okay?
Okay.
So what days are you normally available?
Sunday.
Okay, so that's fine. When contacted by the casting director, you'll know when and where to show up, how long you'll be needed on the set, and what to wear, okay?
Yes, sir.
We will provide you with your own digital portfolio, which will include your photos, interests, skills, and experience. The photos you submit don't have to be professionally taken, so whatever you have around the house will do just fine, okay?
How many clothes do I have to have on?
You can upload how many photos you want, but we recommend that you upload at least from 3 to 5 photos. Okay, so to get you started, spell your first name.
Jaundice?
Jahndes?
Yes. Last,
Okay, go ahead with your last name.
last name Patel. Patel.
Okay, so now go ahead with your phone number with the area code first.
Okay. It is 913.
513, go ahead.
No, 91. 91.
913.
Yes.
Okay.
24
24.
16
Sorry,
16
16.
16 21 2.
Okay, let me check one more time. 913-241-6212.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, now go ahead with your email address.
Jaundice?
Khondes.
Bukaki?
I'm sorry?
Bukaki. B UK
Okay.
AKK BUK AKK
AKK, okay.
E
Okay.
at gmail.com.
Okay. Okay, so now grab a pen and a paper and write down my name so you know exactly who you spoke with. Let me know when you are ready.
I'm ready.